Here's how to connect Google AI Studio to Firebase Studio. The first thing that you're going to do is go to your aistudio.google.com and afterwards scroll down on the left side of the dashboard and click on the Create API key. Once you click on the Create API key, you will be redirected on the page where you will see their Create API key. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on that, and afterwards you will be redirected on this page. Now, click on the namer key and name it as Firebase API and select an imported project depending on what you want. Afterwards, click on the Create key. After creating a key, you will be able to see there the API key that you just created. Now what you need to do is to copy the API key that you created for Firebase API. Afterwards, go to the Firebase Studio and go ahead and paste the API key on the AI Gemini API key app. Afterwards, you have now successfully put on Google AI to Firebase.